Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to talk about how to actually use your NVIDIA graphics card, because Intel is kind of a bully where by default everything pretty much runs using the Intel graphics card, and I didn't figure that out until a couple weeks ago. But I have an Inspiron 7000 and it came with an NVIDIA GeForce graphics card. So the drivers should already be installed, and to check that you can right click and you should see an NVIDIA control panel listing. You also have the Intel graphics settings you can change. But if you don't have the NVIDIA control panel, you can do a quick search for NVIDIA drivers. Usually it's the first link. And then you can put in the driver specs that you have. And to check that, you can go to Device Manager. So once the Device Manager pulls up under Display Adapters, it'll show you the model that you have. So I have an NVIDIA GeForce 940 MX. So I would put that in here for the product series. It's the 900M series. 940MX. I have Windows 10, and you can do a quick search. And then you can download the driver. But again, mine are already installed, so I don't have to do this. But once you do have them installed, you should see this NVIDIA control panel. So let's go ahead and pull that up. So click on the Manage 3D Settings. So by default it will have this on Auto Select, which you don't want. So you want to put that to your high performance NVIDIA processor. Make sure you click Apply. Next you want to go to the Program Settings tab. Give it a moment for the programs to load. So under the drop down menu for a program to customize, you can go through each program and select which graphics card you want to use. So again, by default most of them choose the Intel graphics. So for example, you can go to Google Chrome. I already have it set to the high performance NVIDIA processor. You can go to Microsoft PowerPoint. I already have that set up. You can also add a program, and you can start scrolling through your C drive to add any executables that you have installed. For example, MATLAB, Altium Designer, Fusion 360, SolidWorks, programs like that. And you can change it to use your NVIDIA graphics. So here I have Fusion 360, and I have it set to use the global setting, which was the NVIDIA processor. You can also change it to NVIDIA processor here, it doesn't matter. But one way to check which graphics card your program is using, you can type in Task Manager. So one of the columns is GPU engine, and GPU 0 is your Intel graphics. I don't have any that are, all these seem to be running GPU 0. I did set Microsoft PowerPoint to use the NVIDIA graphics, so when you do something in your PowerPoint, you can see that it's using GPU 1, which is your NVIDIA graphics. Then also you want to go to the Set PhysX Configuration tab and change this to your GeForce 940MX. Make sure you hit apply. Since I already had it, it doesn't pull up, but make sure when you change it, you always apply your settings. And that's it for this video. If you like what you saw, make sure to subscribe below. Thanks.